ऐसा बहुत लोग ना नार्सिसिस्टिक रिलेशनशिप में है. Okay. और ये देखने के बाद लोगों को लगा कि ओ माय गॉड, लाइक और ज़्यादा हार्ड हिटिंग, राइट? एंड वो अवेयरनेस होने के बाद भी ना नार्सिसिस्टिक इंसान को छोड़ना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है.
Yes.
Why is it so hard to leave a narcissistic person? क्यों मैं नहीं छोड़ सकता और अपना पार्ट सेपरेट कर सकता रोमांटिकली? फैमिली में तो कंट्रोल ज़्यादा होगा, बट रोमांटिकली तो ठीक है, मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड था, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड थी, मुझे छोड़ना है, इट्स ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन.
You get very enmeshed. Again,
मतलब
it's the
enmeshed
same
क्या
thing.
होता है?
Enmeshed is this is one person, this is one person. Two people? This is one person, this is not two people. What was that? दो जिस्म एक जान.
हाँ.
Oh God. Oh God. No.
टेल मी, क्या दो नार्सिसिस्टिक ट्रेट्स के लोग साथ में रह सकते हैं? I'm very curious. दो नार्सिसिस्ट लोग एक दूसरे को डेट कर सकते हैं? Can they have a
Wait,
beautiful relationship?
You used a very good word. You said narcissistic traits. So while you're saying narcissistic traits, I will say yes.
दो नार्सिसिस्ट एक दूसरे को डेट कर सकते हैं क्या? Let me just reframe it.
You mean with personality disorders? No.
क्यों?
Who's providing? Who's worshipping?
अलग-अलग
कंपटीशन ही होगा ना. पूरे घर में हर दिन कंपटीशन होगा.
तो दोनों को अप्रिसिएशन चाहिए, दोनों को फ्लैटरी चाहिए, दोनों को सेंस ऑफ पावर चाहिए.
It won't work. And again, two narcissistic people, while they have the traits, can be very healthy for each other. When you see power couples, right? They both have different narcissistic traits possibly. Even if they have the same, but they're healthy on that spectrum, you'll see power couples. Going back to Michelle and Barack, right? Power couple. They have such a good influence on the world, right? So that's what you do.
Who else? Give me examples.
I want to, like, while I was saying this, I feel Amal Clooney and George Clooney. Very beautiful power couple. Very beautiful. She has a different
Ryan
life.
Reynolds and Blake Lively.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. They allow each other space. They also like work. It's very beautiful. So while they have the traits and they have 3 kids, but yes, this is all from the external
Do you think
perspective.
Saif and Kareena?
I think they're working.
Power
People
couple.
are working. Yeah. They both are powerful, of course. You have a lot of people in Bollywood that are working.
Who
But
do you think
can't
Bollywood
really-
they can't date? Like they're so narcissistic that they can't date. Do you know anyone from the outside of the personality? At least what you can judge from the outside.
No, it would be very difficult. Two
Outside.
NPD people will not last. There will always have to be one to bow out. And NPD people don't bow out. होता नहीं है.
So एक पावर स्ट्रक्चर में एक को समझ में आना चाहिए कि मैं डोमिनेंट हूँ या मैं सबमिसिव.
Yeah.
और फिर ही वर्क करेगा.
Yeah.
वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग दोनों को रहनी चाहिए.
Yeah. I mean, it happens automatically. Like I cannot think of.
दोनों एक्सट्रीम पावरफुल डोमिनेंट पर्सनालिटी साथ में नहीं हो सकती. देन दैट नोशन गोज अवे ना कि आप आपके जैसे लोगों को डेट करो, आप वाइब ज्यादा आपके जैसे लोगों के साथ होते हैं. ऑल दैट इज बुलशिट. देन
Vibe होती है, but you need to see like. I
compatibility
always
zero.
I see like I will never tell anybody to be with, 10
same.
on 10. Same people, no. There needs to be a healthy difference. For me, it's 80-20. For me, it's 80-20. 80% similar is nice and 20% different because you need another perspective in the relationship. I can say this is black, but you're like, no, it's grey. क्या देख रहे हो? Right? It's a matter of perspective. Right? Foreground, background. It's a matter of perspective. There should be someone to like challenge you in like a healthy challenge. Now, if I'm with a narcissistic person and if he says, this is black and I say, this is grey, he'll be like, you don't know anything.
I've seen those couples.
Right? They will just negate you from the conversation.
Yeah.
But a healthy person will be like, why do you think this is grey? What about this makes you think it's grey?
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.